It's that most wonderful time of year again where Hobby Lobby is stocked with Christmas and holiday merchandise. I'm taking you through a tour of all the different items that can be used as dollhouse miniatures. I'm starting in the aisle that has the My Little Christmas merchandise, and it is filled with the most tiniest ornaments and decorations for mini Christmas trees. They have an entire section in this aisle filled with pastel merchandise. I really love the pastel colors. I guess it depends on what style of Christmas tree you're decorating, but these pastels are all really nice. They have a lot of these white Christmas tree skirts. Under a tree, this could even look like snow. The white is also iridescent, which could look really nice under some Christmas lights. They have a set of macaroons. They are very plushy and fuzzy, and lots of pastel candies. I love the sprinkles on these. Let's see the price on these. These ones are $4.49, and currently everything Christmas is 50% off. It is currently September when I am filming this, and it's funny because fall items are only 40% off. So it's a little strange that Christmas is 50% off while fall items are 40% off. A lot of these items look new this year. I don't remember them last year, but I really love all of these mini food items. These ice creams are too cute. I am absolutely obsessed with miniature food. They have some gummy bears that look like they're sugar-coated, but so many items missing. A lot of their miniature items are missing from their sets. I don't know why that always happens, if they just get missing in shipment or if people steal them. I don't know. Here's a set of pastel bows. The last few years, bows are really having a moment, and I love that they have them as Christmas tree decorations. Oh, these are fun. A set of mini disco balls. Those can be used as actual disco balls inside of a dollhouse. And down below, lots of mini gumdrops. I just love gumdrops for Christmas. I just automatically associate gumdrops with the holiday season. There's even a gumdrop tree topper. I have not seen one of those before, but that is so stinking cute. Here's a pack of ornaments in metallic colors, some more ice creams. These ones have lots of glitter and beads on top as decorations. A pack of gingerbread ornaments wearing scarves, so cute. Some more round ornaments in different colors, some with glitter, some metallic. And here are some Christmas flowers. I'm completely blanking on the name of what those flowers are called, but they are always around during Christmas time. Oh, these look new this year. They are clear ornaments with some sparkly glitter inside. And these ones have miniature candy canes inside. These are perfect little miniatures to give as gifts to miniature dollhouse lovers. And there are packs of little lollipops, although these don't look very miniature. They look like regular size lollipops. Every year, Hobby Lobby sells these miniature candy ornaments. I remember a time when these were only $1.99 or maybe $2.99. Gosh, they're already $7.49. I feel like such an old-timer complaining about these prices. There are mini lollipops. I think these are appropriately sized for miniatures. And here are some peppermint candy ornaments. They look like regular size peppermints, not really miniature. But here are some miniature candy canes. Here are some little present ornaments in metallic colors. You can either use these as ornaments or take off the hooks at the top and place them as gifts under your miniature tree. Here are some hippo and pig ballerina ornaments. I have not seen something like this before. I thought that was Peppa Pig at first. Some more lollipop ornaments with frosting and sprinkles at the top. Some balloon cat ornaments, very unique. Here's something a little bit more classic. We have mini snowmen. And here we have some metallic star ornaments and some felt gingerbread houses with a lot of beaded detail on them. And some gnome ornaments. I remember gnome ornaments being popular the last few years. I guess they are still very popular since they're still making them. Here's a large pack of pastel and metallic ornaments. Set has 24 pieces and is priced at $16.99 before the sale, so at 50% off, it's a little over $8. Moving down the aisle away from the pastels and now into some more classic Christmas ornaments. Here are some miniature nativity scene ornaments. They're very cute. Here are some snowmen. They look like they're made from clay. It's a pack of traditional Christmas item ornaments. These would make really great miniatures. Here's a 12-pack of dog ornaments, all wearing Santa hats and little scarves. They're just ready to celebrate Christmas. They have a lot of miniature gingerbread men and women, some that are made from clay, a pack made from felt. I love these ones that look like they're hand sewn. Here's a set of tools that could easily be turned into dollhouse miniatures. I think the size is a bit big, so these could work really great for Barbie dolls. And here are some glitter dinosaurs. They're really coming up with the most funniest things. Oh, these are adorable. I just love all the little animals and forest creatures. Here are some more dog ornaments. These ones are made from felt and are wearing cute little outfits. And I'm seeing some cat ornaments. These are really cute. The cats are actually doing some things like hiding in a basket or a present. I'm seeing a lot more gingerbread items. Very cute. These ones are in the pastel category, and each ornament is different in the pack, so this one is a nice variety pack. There are some ornaments that are made from clay. They have a lot of these ornaments that look like they're made from clay. They have a very homemade feel to them. Some nutcrackers with glitter hats, some more gingerbread. I think we already saw those earlier. Here are some cute little wiener dogs wearing scarves and completely covered in glitter. Little miniature sleds. These are really cute. You can definitely use these inside of your dollhouse as some holiday decor. Even these to use as a door decoration. Here are some more of the clay ornaments. These are made to look like Christmas flower gingerbreads. I found another ornament variety pack, and these do not look as small as some of the other ones. But Hallmark has some miniature ornaments and many different characters. Mario, Marvel, they have Rudolph, they have all the characters. I think they're made from clay maybe. They're pricey at $24.99. I guess they're paying a lot of money for licensing the characters. Oh, I like this variety pack, some miniature trees, and priced at $16.99, and at half off, it's about $8.50. Seeing some tree skirts at the top of this section. This one looks like a Santa outfit. Here's one that is plaid. Oh, this one looks like a sweater. A lot of these items look very big, not very miniature, but could still be used to decorate a regular Christmas tree. Here are some classic round Christmas ornament bulbs. They have a variety of tree toppers. This one looks like a crystal or a snowflake. This brown one looks really great for a rustic looking Christmas tree. Here are some miniature reindeer and pine cones, some mini trees. These are great to decorate around a miniature dollhouse. And here are some more bows. These ones are plaid and some plushy gnomes. These remind me of pillows. They're so squishy and soft. They can definitely be used as a miniature pillow or couch decoration. These are interesting. It's a wreath made out of wooden beads. You could use these as a wreath on your dollhouse door. It's very unique looking. And I'm seeing some stars with bows, and they're metallic. There's 2 gold ones and 2 silver ones. Here's a truck with a Christmas tree in the trunk. Very cute. I'm seeing some more wreaths. These are very bright colored, like a very lime green. Oh, and here are the plans of how they're supposed to organize the store. I guess every Hobby Lobby probably has the same exact setup. Okay, now I am at the very end of the aisle. I'm seeing lots of garlands, some Christmas lights. These ones are rainbow. They have lots of different colors. And some wooden garlands that are painted, and the others look like they are metallic. And many different Christmas tree toppers. Most of their Christmas tree toppers are stars or snowflakes. But the snowflakes are in different colors, like they had silver and white. And here are some red, gold, silver star Christmas tree toppers. Some more of these Christmas flowers to decorate a Christmas tree, some snowflake garlands. And I spy some more Christmas bows. These are in different colors than the ones we saw earlier. And I'm seeing some Santa ornaments where his beard is completely covered in glitter. And here are bling ornaments. Ooh, these are cute for Dollhouse Miniatures mini winter hats. Here's some more garlands. These have pretty red bows. They have a little bit of white on them to look like they are covered in snow. I guess these are supposed to be mini Christmas trees, lots of bells. And here are some snowflake ornaments. You can create an entire snowflake tree. We saw the snowflake garland earlier and these little mini snowflake ornaments. So you can do a whole snowflake themed Christmas tree. So that was everything in the My Little Christmas aisle. It looks like there's still some boxes. Maybe they're still setting up to fill out some of those empty holes. But moving on into some of the other aisles to see if there's anything miniature or dollhouse themed that we can find. On the bottom shelf, they have these miniature Christmas scene dioramas. This one is a truck picking up a Christmas tree, and it looks like it's inside of a snowy forest. And this next one looks like a Christmas farm that just got covered in snow. This one costs $44.99 and it is 50% off, so it's about $22.50. Oh, and it lights up. The trees light up, the barn, the tractor. Let's check this one out. Oh, it also lights up all the trees and the car. Here's one that's inside of a jar. It's a whole winter wonderland scene on a ski slope, and it lights up too. I like all the miniature details on this one. The snow has some glitter in it, so it just really glistens in the light. Oh, and look at that sign, up to snow good. I love a good wordplay. All right, let's see what else we can find down the aisle. Here's a little wooden house that's covered in snow, and it lights up too. We have some lanterns with another snowy scene. There's little snowmen. Oh, and there's one with Santa Claus too. These ones cost $16.99 at half off. They are $8.50. The rest of the Christmas crafts are kind of scattered in these mini half aisles, but this one really caught my eye. There are these miniature houses. It's supposed to be an advent calendar. And oh my gosh, it is priced at $74.99. That is really cute, but I just can't justify that price. I do think it's on sale. I guess with the sale, it's $37 or maybe $38, but with tax, that ends up being $40. And here are packets of tape in Christmas themes. These can be great for decorating dollhouse miniature gifts. You can use them as miniature wrapping paper. A lot of these small embellishments can be used as dollhouse decorations around your dollhouse, or you can hot glue them onto a miniature Christmas tree. A lot of these small craft items are not too expensive, and they are included in the 50% off sale, so you can find some really good deals in this section. These miniature stockings could be great to use over a fireplace. They do look like they're on the bigger size, so these could be great for Barbie dolls. Now moving on to another mini aisle, there's lots of mini Christmas crafts. These might be iron-ons, but could be used as some cute wall decor. Some of these items I see every year, like these miniature pine cones and these little Christmas trees. I love them. I always buy them. I use them all the time for my miniature Christmas scenes. And every year I also see these pipe cleaner metallic garlands. They're very cute though. These green glitter trees do look new though, and I also see they have some white and red ones. I don't remember seeing them last year, so they might be some new items. There's some mini mistletoe, or I guess mini holly, or is holly and mistletoe the same thing? I'm not sure. I guess that's everything on this mini half aisle. There's some more crafting items on both sides. These are some fun items and crafts to make with kids. I'm seeing some more miniature Christmas items over there. I am all the way in the back of the store now. They really have these smaller Christmas items and crafting items kind of scattered throughout the entire store. Wish Hobby Lobby would place all of their miniature Christmas crafts into one aisle and not these small, like 1/4 size and half size aisles, just so that they're all in one place and I'm not running back and forth everywhere. All of these buttons here can make really great dollhouse miniatures. You can use them to decorate inside of your dollhouse, or you can easily hot glue them onto a miniature Christmas tree. Hobby Lobby has these miniature resin figurines every year. At least I've seen them for many years, and I love using them as decorations. They look like they're hand painted. I've always been very happy with them. I think that the miniature Christmas craft aisle is the best place to find Christmas themed dollhouse miniatures. You don't really have to remake a lot of these, like with some of the Christmas ornaments that we saw at the very beginning of the video. All of these items look like they could be the perfect size for either 1/12 scale dollhouses or even Barbie doll size. And on the other side, I'm seeing some small gifts and presents in many different colors and different pipe cleaners that you can easily turn into miniature garlands. Found another small section that has some Christmas themed jewelry and charms. These charms are perfect for placing on your miniature Christmas tree. And these mini candy canes are also the perfect size for either Barbie dolls or 1/12 scale dollhouses. These charms already have the loops that you need to be able to place them directly on a miniature Christmas tree, and if they don't want to stay in place, you can very easily use some glue. These mini gnomes are cute. They are made from clay and in Christmas colors. I think these are all also half off just because these prices are a little bit up there, but I do think with being half off, they're a good deal. Okay, so now I am back to the front of the store where I found some miniature Christmas trees. You can decorate some of these miniature Christmas trees with some of the charms and other decorations that we saw earlier in the video. They have a large variety of Christmas trees to choose from, and a lot of them come in sets of 3, just like these, and they have them in many different colors. I found some more tree sets. I really like these. They're only $5.99 and you get a set of 3. They are half off, so only $3. Here's a really nice large set. They come in many different sizes. That is everything that I could find that would be great to use for Christmas themed dollhouse miniatures at Hobby Lobby. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.